If you are wondering if you can expect overheating issues on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is somewhat yes. I mean, it's not really overheating, especially not as much as, for example, Google Pixel 10 or 9 models. This one definitely handles everything slightly better in the case of course, the temperature. Still, you can feel the phone getting hotter at times if you use the camera for a slightly longer time, or if you play games, or sometimes even doing some random things like just using some random apps. Yes, the phone can still get slightly warmer, maybe not even slightly, but just warmer in general. But honestly, I have to say that it feels better to use the phone compared to Google Pixel 10 or Google Pixel 9, where on those devices, the temperature was definitely out of control. So here, it seems that Google improved quite significantly, I would say. And like I said, you can still feel the phone getting warmer, but it's definitely not as hot as it used to be with previous models. So that's why I'm hesitating to actually say that the phone overheats. So yeah, it seems like actually a pretty big improvement in this department on Google Pixel smartphone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.